Hi students, hope all you are in a good mood and health. আজকে আমি কয়েকটা এক্সামের সম্বন্ধে বলবো যাদের লাস্ট ডেট অ্যাপ্লাই করার খুব কাছাকাছি চলে এসেছে এবং প্রতিটা এক্সামই পশ্চিমবঙ্গের বাইরের, যারা হায়ার সেকেন্ডারি বা গ্র্যাজুয়েশনের পরে ওয়েস্ট বেঙ্গলের বাইরে গিয়ে লেখাপড়া করতে চাইছো, মূলত তাদের জন্যেই এই ভিডিওটা। প্রথম বলি অ্যাকচুয়ারিয়াল কমন এন্ট্রান্স টেস্ট ACET, এটার অ্যাপ্লিকেশনস অলরেডি চলছে। অ্যাকচুয়ারিয়াল কমন এন্ট্রান্স টেস্ট ACET is conducted by the Institute of Actuaries of India and is stepping stone for becoming an actuary. An actuary is a business professional who analyzes the financial consequences of risk. To become an actuary, the student must clear the Actuarial Common Entrance Test ACET conducted by the Institute of Actuaries of India. ACET is conducted 2 to 3 times a year. The IAI has announced the schedule for third ACET of 2021, which will be held in December this year. The last date to apply is 26th October 2021. ACET exam is scheduled to be conducted on 11th December this year. Second is Andhra Pradesh Law Common Entrance Test APLAWCET Law Set 2021. Application is ongoing. Sri Krishna Devaria University, on behalf of APSCE, AP State Council of Higher Education, shall conduct the AP Law Set 2021 entrance exam on 22nd September 2021 for admissions to nearly 2,900 seats in a 5-year BA LLB programs are being offered across multiple affiliate colleges in the state. The entrance exam shall be of 90 minutes duration and shall be conducted in multiple cities across Andhra Pradesh. The last date to submit without late fees is 20th August 2021. Third is All India Screening Test AIST 2021. This examination for the year has been cancelled. In view of various instructions and guidelines issued by various state and central governments with regard to COVID-19, Footwear Design and Development Institute FDDI recently reviewed the prevailing situation and decided to cancel its All India Screening Test AIST 2021 for admission in its B Design and BBA courses. It has now decided to grant admission on basis of class 12 marks and shall open a window for students who have applied earlier to upload their class 12 score from 31st July to 10th August 2021. Next is Telangana State Law Common Entrance Test TS Law Set. Application is ongoing. A common entrance test designated as Telangana State Law Common Entrance Test is conducted by Osmania University, Hyderabad, on behalf of Telangana State Council of Higher Education for admission into 5-year BA LLB regular courses in the colleges of law of Telangana. Owing to COVID pandemic, the examination will be held on 23rd August 2021 across multiple cities in Telangana. Last date to apply with a fine of rupees 2000 is 10th August 2021. Next is Maharashtra Academy of Naval Education and Training MANET 2021. Application closes soon. Maharashtra Academy of Naval Education and Training, Pune is a part of MAEER, Maharashtra Academy of Engineering, Education and Research, MIT Group of Institutions, Pune. The courses are approved by the Directorate General of Shipping, Ministry of Shipping, Government of India, are a constituent of MIT Art, Design and Technology University, Pune. The courses offered are BTech Marine Engineering and 3-year BSc Nautical Science. The last date to apply is 31st July 2021. So guys, hurry up. Next one is National Rail and Transport Institute NRTI 2021. Admission dates got changed for this year. National Rail and Transport Institute has changed and extended the application last date and also delayed its entrance test for 2021 admission in its Nishi Transportation Technology and Transportation Management programs. The last date to apply online is extended to 21st August 2021 for BBA and BSc and 15th September 2021 for BTech. The date of the online admission test is expected on 5th September tentatively. The final date is to be announced in due course. Last one is Maharashtra Bachelor of Hotel Management and Catering Technology Common Entrance Test applications ongoing. State Common Entrance Test Cell, Government of Maharashtra shall conduct the Common Entrance Test for admission to the first year of the 4-year full-time graduate degree course in Hotel Management and Catering Technology MCT, the application process for which has been started. The last date of application is 30th July 2021. The last date of entrance exam is yet to be announced. থ্যাংক ইউ ভেরি মাচ। আজ के लिए इतना ही। आज এই পর্যন্তই। এটা যারা পশ্চিমবঙ্গের বাইরে যেতে চাইছো, जो लोग वेस्ट बंगाल के बाहर जाके पढ़ाई करना चाहते हैं 12th या ग्रेजुएशन के बाद, ये वीडियो सिर्फ उन लोगों के लिए था। थैंक यू वेरी मच।